Clean, 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 clean. Ooh. Clean, 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 clean. Oh. Broken and clean.
Welcome back to the channel. Let's make some breakfast. As you can hear, my voice is not good. So we are going to put this bacon in the oven. I'm not going to talk much throughout this video because I'm sure you've seen some of my breakfast videos, but you preheat your oven at 350 degrees and go ahead and put that pan in the oven. We're going to make some grits. I have some eggs. We're going to do scrambled eggs with some cheese. I have mozzarella and extra sharp cheese that I am going to shred and mix with the eggs, and add our seasoning: salt, pepper, a little hot sauce, a little paprika, and the cheese, right? And some milk. Season how you like your scrambled eggs, okay? And I like my scrambled eggs to be well done. Go ahead and boil your water. Start boiling your water before you add your grits to it, and that's it. And as you can see, shredded the cheese. I'm sorry, I didn't use mozzarella cheese, but I used the sharp cheddar cheese. Anyway, you'll see what I'm doing, and I'm glad to have you here back watching. Enjoy the video. There you have it, a quick and simple breakfast. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for all of your support. I truly appreciate you. As I always say, I love you. Stay blessed and peace out. Tell a friend, tell a family to come on through and check out Jill's Comfort Zone. Enjoy your day. Thank you.